This is a Singer Model 252 that I'm listing for sale in March of 2022. It's a very good basic machine. In addition to the straight stitch, it has a zigzag and a blanket stitch. The zigzag has variable width, has variable length in reverse. I'll just give you a quick demonstration of how it sews. First we'll do the straight stitch. And reverse. Now we'll do a zigzag. Oh, that was a blanket stitch. Now we'll do the zigzag. Cut one of my lead threads there. So there's the three top stitches, the straight, the blanket stitch, and the zigzag, and the bobbin thread. Now at some point this machine was dropped on its nose and there's a crack in the top cover. It used to be loose, but I've re-glued it and it seems fairly solid right now. But it's a good basic machine, should give a lot of good service.